Welcome to Stakeholder Management Fundamentals. In this course, you'll learn how to identify, engage, and influence the people who matter most to your project's success. Whether you're managing a team, launching a product, or driving organizational change, understanding stakeholder dynamics is essential. This foundational knowledge will help you build stronger relationships, reduce conflicts, and achieve your goals more effectively. A stakeholder is anyone who has an interest in or is affected by your project or decision. This includes team members, managers, customers, investors, and even competitors. Stakeholders can be internal, like employees and leadership, or external, like clients and regulatory bodies. Understanding who your stakeholders are and what they care about is the first step toward effective management. Not all stakeholders have equal influence or interest, which is why we need a structured approach to identify and prioritize them. The Power Interest Grid is a simple but powerful tool for mapping stakeholders. On one axis, you measure their power or influence over your project. On the other, you measure their level of interest. This creates 4 quadrants. High power, high interest stakeholders are your key players and need constant engagement. High power, low interest stakeholders require regular updates to keep them satisfied. High interest, low power stakeholders should be kept informed and supported. Low power, low interest stakeholders need minimal communication. Use this framework to determine how much attention each stakeholder deserves and how to communicate with them effectively. Every stakeholder has unique needs and expectations. A customer cares about value and timely delivery. An employee cares about job security and career growth. An investor cares about return on investment. To understand these needs, you must ask questions, listen actively, and observe their behavior. Create a stakeholder analysis by documenting their goals, concerns, and what success looks like from their perspective. This deep understanding allows you to align your project with their expectations, reduce resistance, and build trust. Remember, people support what they help create, so involve stakeholders in shaping solutions that work for them. Consistent communication is the foundation of stakeholder management. Develop a communication plan that specifies who needs to hear from you, how often, through which channels, and with what information. Different stakeholders need different levels of detail. Executives want summaries and risk flags. Teams want detailed updates and feedback. Clients want progress reports and problem resolutions. Establish regular cadences like weekly status meetings or monthly reviews. Choose the right channels. Email for documentation, meetings for discussion, and dashboards for transparency. A well-executed communication strategy prevents surprises, builds confidence, and keeps everyone aligned. In many situations, you need to influence people over whom you have no formal authority. This requires a different set of skills. First, build credibility by being reliable, knowledgeable, and trustworthy. Second, find common ground and shared goals with the stakeholder. Third, present clear trade-offs and options rather than demands. Fourth, listen more than you talk. Understand their perspective and constraints. Fifth, earn trust through consistent follow-through on commitments. When you demonstrate competence, respect their viewpoint, and help them succeed, people naturally want to collaborate with you, even without a direct reporting relationship. Stakeholders often have competing priorities. Sales wants faster features. Engineering wants more quality and fewer changes. Customers want low prices and high quality. Finance wants efficiency. Your job is to facilitate transparent decision-making about these trade-offs. Use a prioritization framework that includes criteria like business impact, effort required, and stakeholder alignment. Make the scoring visible so stakeholders understand the reasoning. When trade-offs are clear and data-driven, people accept difficult decisions better than when they feel arbitrary. Document decisions and the logic behind them. This creates accountability and builds trust that priorities are set fairly, not by favoritism. Empower stakeholders by giving them real voice in decisions that affect them. Create forums where they can contribute ideas, raise concerns, and shape outcomes. This increases their sense of ownership and commitment. Establish clear ownership and decision rights for different areas. People perform better when they know what they're responsible for. Build cross-functional teams when you need to align diverse perspectives. Use collaborative tools and workshops to surface hidden assumptions and find creative solutions. When stakeholders feel heard and see their input matter, they become partners in success rather than obstacles to overcome. Identify risks that could derail your stakeholder engagement or project. Common risks include scope creep from unclear priorities, resource constraints that create bottlenecks, and stakeholder disengagement from poor communication. Create a risk register that documents each risk, how likely it is to occur, what impact it would have, and what actions you'll take to prevent or mitigate it. Assign an owner to each risk and review regularly. Early detection of stakeholder concerns prevents small issues from becoming major problems. By managing risks proactively and transparently, you demonstrate competence and build stakeholder confidence that you're prepared for challenges. Let's recap the essential principles. Influence without authority by building credibility and showing transparent trade-offs. Balance competing priorities through structured prioritization and risk management. Establish regular communication cadences, clear ownership, and defined escalation paths. These practices create a foundation for effective stakeholder governance. To implement this, map your stakeholders using the power interest grid, develop a communication plan tailored to each group, document your decision-making process, and review regularly. Remember, stakeholder management is not a one-time event but an ongoing practice. By mastering these fundamentals, you'll be better equipped to navigate complexity, build stronger relationships, and deliver successful outcomes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.